everybody. So before you, hi everybody. Yo, what's up? Yo, what's up? Yo, what's up? Hi everybody. Yo, what's up? Yo, what's up? What's up, guys? Hey, what's up, guys? What's up, guys? Yo, what's up, guys? Everybody. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? David's Game. What's up, guys? David's Game. Guys, David's Game. He's the one in the tower. What's up, guys? Yo. Yo, what? Now here on the map. Here goes Captain. Yo. Comes Captain Underpants with a. Yo, what's up? Yo. Yo, what's up, guys? Yo, what's up, guys? Yo, what's up, guys? Yo, what's up? Yo, what's up, guys? Hello, guys. Yo. Yo, what's up, guys? Yo, what's up? Yo, what's up? Yo, what's up? Yo, what's up, guys? Yo. Hi, everybody. In this video. In this video. Yo, what's up? Yo, what's up, guys? The second emoji is on the top.
Just try to keep up.
Brian can't see.
I'll bring it.
Yeah. In this video. Alright. Yo, what's up? Here comes the emoji. Yo, what's up? Yo, what's up, guys? David the Gamer. Yo, what's up, guys? Here comes Crash Bandit. Yo, what's up, guys? I'm not taking one more second. Hi everyone, it's David the Gamer Season 2.
So why don't we all just have a little honey? No, I'm good.
Now you will taste my wrath.
Yo, what's up, guys?
You playing Minecraft. I like your cut, G.
I just want to be. Eat that cookie.
Hey, Thor, I think you need more contestants to join the show.
Hello, people. This is David the Gamer, season. Yo, what's up, guys? David.
Look, Sonic, it's you.
Yo, what's up, guys? David the
Who's ready to suck and dance?
Yo, what's up, guys? David the David the Gamer, season 2.
Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell or... Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell or this.
So, we haven't already finished that one. Hey, Will!
Special recognition today for some very special first.
Yo, what?
What's
Yo, what's up, guys? David the Gamer, season 3.
I'm wet.
Yo, what's up, guys? Yo, what's up, guys? Oh, welcome, everybody. Welcome to my. Welcome, everybody. Yo, what's up, guys? Oh, welcome, everybody. Sorry, subscribers, for